Neha, which salt should I use in my daily cooking?
So before we understand which salt you should be using in your daily cooking, we need to understand the different kind of salts that are available in the market. So we have the table salt, which is your white salt that we use in our daily cooking. And this salt is the salt that has been refined and processed with chemicals to the highest extent. And then iodine is added to it to just make sure that we don't have iodine deficiencies. The second type of salt is Himalayan pink salt. Now this salt comes from the Himalayan rocks and it's pink in color because that's the natural color of the rock, and this is minimally processed, so majority of the minerals remain intact in this kind of salt. The third type of salt is the sea salt, and as the name suggests, this is derived from the seawater by evaporating seawater, which leaves behind your crystals of white salt, and this also has minerals in it depending on from where the salt was originated, which water was used, whether it was ocean, sea or saltwater lake. Now all three types of salt have the similar sodium content. Only table salt has excess iodine in it, but no other minerals. Himalayan salt has a good mix of all minerals, and so does sea salt. So what you can do is, in your daily cooking, majorly use Himalayan pink salt because it's the more cleaner variety and higher mineral content, and you can use table salt for a few meals in the week to make sure that you're getting your iodine content.